Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great week and thank you for watching this short video. As you know, we are in Module 5, Section 1, and we have been reviewing each other's, or hoping to review each other's rough draft for our reflection paper. In order to make that a smooth process in your group, please look at the time of submission for the peers around you in the discussion board. The first person who submits their reflection paper rough draft will peer review the second person who submits rough draft. And from there, the third and the fourth people will review each other's, and the fifth and sixth. So we'll pair up by time of submission at the time you've created your discussion board thread. You can see that as you click into the discussion board. Once you've paired up, please look over your peer's paper and also make comments either in a separate document, or if your peer is using something like Microsoft Word, you can use the track changes function to help you do that. Make comments about not only grammar and format problems that you might find, but also the content. There are more specific instructions in the discussion board prompt on what to look for, but please leave some substantial feedback for your peer so that they can revise their paper accordingly before it is due. In the next module section, Module 5, Part 2, at the end of that section, the final version of your reflection paper is due. So you will need to peer review it in this module, and then you'll have about a week or more to revise that before it's due next Sunday. Hopefully that will be helpful for you. Opening tomorrow in Module 5, Section 2 as well, we're going to read a little more from our textbook, Adult Success. And we're going to try a study experiment to see if you can implement a new study habit that might be effective for you. We'll talk about that in our discussion board in the next module, as well as the first half of our other textbook, Wise Beyond Your Field. So if you have not purchased that textbook yet, we will be using that not only in the next module section, but also for the group project, which starts the module section after this next one. So please get that as soon as possible so you can keep up with our classwork. And I think it's a good book that has some good lessons in it just from reading it. So hopefully using it for a discussion board and for a group project will help instill some of those lessons and ideas into the way we think and the way we go about creating things. Besides your reflection paper, as I said, that's due in Module 5, Section 2, we will be doing a discussion board, and then hopefully your group section, you are clear on the IDP process. For some of you, your final draft of your IDP will be due this coming Sunday. For others of you, it will be due the week after next at the close of Module 5, Section 2. So just try to find that email that we sent you. We'll also, as instructors, be sending you reminders usually about a week before the final draft of your IDP is due. So in that final version, remember you will need to have both forms completely filled out, and please take a look at the comments that have been left for you. You should be able to see those comments in the assignments, the IDP form, and the MDS goals page that you uploaded to the first draft. You should see some blue text boxes, which means we've left comments. Scroll over those and you can see what those are. And if you have any questions about any of the information that we left on those documents, please let us know before you turn the final draft in. The only other thing you will need to make sure you do is on the MDS goals page. Some of you did not fill out the program outcome goal. You'll need to get that completed, as well as the service learning goal. There is information on how to write both of those goals in the module folder 03.14. You can also reach that IDP assignments folder by looking for the IDP assignment link in our navigation menu on the left side of the course. So we're happy to answer any questions at this point. Your advisor has done their part, and now Karina and I should be the ones that you contact with any questions about the last part of that assignment. If you have any questions about this, as I said, or any other thing in the course that's happening, please let us know. And if we don't hear from you, we will definitely see you online. Thanks.